A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, hope you will be fine. From today, we will uh, now start biology, the fifth unit of biology, that is our environment. Our environment. Environ. It is derived from the Latin envira. Envira means surroundings. That means environment means the surrounding of an organism where it lives. The surrounding of an organism, it includes both the physical components as well as the biological components. Physical components of an environment includes the air, water bodies, soil. They constitute the physical part of an environment. While the living organisms with which an organism interacts or depends, they constitute the biological component of an environment. These include plants, animals, human beings, microorganisms. All these components, they are the constituents of an environment. So we can say that environment, the physical and biological world, while an organism lives, where we live, that is called environment. Environment, I have already told you, environment includes our physical surroundings. It includes air, atmosphere, water bodies, soil, land, and all the organisms such as plants, animals, human beings, microorganisms. All these constituents of the environment, they are dependent on one another. Master dependent on one another. ठीक, यहाँ all the constituents of environment, they interact with one another, and in order to maintain a balance, हम interact करा ऐसे and maintain a balance in the environment in a natural way. So we can say that is when we see environment, it means the physical and the biological world, biological surrounding where an organism lives, biological world where an organism lives or where we live. Human beings, as far as the human beings, role of human beings in the environment are concerned, human beings are the only organisms in the environment who change their natural environment in order to fulfill their needs of food, clothing, transport, industries, and other needs. These uncontrolled activities of human beings, they are causing damage to the balanced and healthy environment more and more, more and more, more and more. We have seen that the different components of the environment, different constituents of the environment, they interact among themselves. Various communities of living organisms are shows in the environment. Various communities of living organisms, plants, animals, they interact among themselves as well as with the physical environment. Physical environment. The living organisms, they interact with one another through their food chains, in which one organism consumes other organisms. Living organisms like plants, they interact with soil to get essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, or with air to get carbon dioxide, or with water bodies for carrying out the process of photosynthesis. All these the biological component of environment. And how to interact among themselves. As I have already told you that the constituents of the environment, they interact with one another in order to maintain balance in the environment in a natural way. मुझे वहाँ से क्या रहता है, various communities of living organisms वहाँ से interact कर among themselves also with their physical environment like soil, water. For example, अगर कुछ living organisms interact कर रहे हैं through the food chain in which one organism consumes the richest organism, या organism, living organism interact with the components of physical with the physical components of environmental like soil to get the essential nutrients on the soil. Yeah, with air to get carbon dioxide or water bodies required for carrying out the process of photosynthesis. This is about